Are you looking to start running Google Ads for your business? Or maybe you've already ran some Google Ads in the past, but you've gotten horrendous results. If that's you, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now in today's video, we are going to take a pivot away from Facebook ads and talk about Google Ads, which I don't normally talk about. However, it is by far one of the best traffic sources out there if you wanted to generate more leads or sales for your business. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 things that you must know about Google Ads before you spend a penny onto Google Ads platform. But before we get into this, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. So with that being said, first thing first, Google Ads. It's a monster in terms of generating leads and sales for any business. However, when you first log into Google Ads, it looks simple. But the truth is, it is very complex and there's a lot of things going on behind Google Ads platform that not ordinary people will be aware of. And most importantly, if you don't know exactly what you're doing on Google, it will cost you an arm and a leg. And like I said, in this video, I'll share with you the top 5 things that you must know when it comes to running ads on Google. So let's dive right in onto what these things are. Number 1 is that Google is a network within a network. The first thing that comes into people's mind when it comes to Google is that they are a search engine. And oftentimes, when people talk about running Google Ads, they may think that it's simply running ads simply in the search engine results. But truth is, over the past decade, Facebook has been acquiring a lot of assets under their belts, and the Google Ads platform has evolved quite drastically. And now, Google Ads is not just about search ads. There are a lot inside of Google. Things like the display network, Gmail sponsored ads, YouTube ads, and also mobile ads as well. And last but not least, shopping ads. So in a way, if you're trying to advertise on Google, you're essentially advertising to 95% of internet users worldwide. But all these people are simply having a different buying behavior in their customer journey. So if you're trying to actually create a Google ad, the one ad doesn't fit all. What you need to do in order for you to truly take advantage of Google Ads is to separate your campaigns where you simply create a specific funnel and message for search ads, YouTube ads, display ads, shopping ads, and even simply Gmail ads. But by default, when you create your Google ad in the specific recommendations that Google is telling you when you first log in, you're actually going to be advertising everywhere. And you are never going to get the results that you want by simply going through Google Ads by taking their recommendation. As I said, you need to actually split it up. In fact, when you specifically advertise in the search engine, you're still going to be opt-in into display network, and you have to specifically uncheck that box to ensure that you are only getting search traffic. So with that, keep that in mind. Google is a network within a network, and each network requires a different sales funnel and different ad message. Now, going to number 2. The second item is that broad match is flawed. So when you're setting up a search ad, you'll be asked to actually input the keywords that you want. These keywords are essentially what will trigger your Google Ads on the search engine results. However, most people start with what we call broad match. essentially just putting a list of keywords that they want into the search keyword list. In reality, that's gonna actually cost you an arm and a leg. Because when it comes to search ads, there are different search types, or I should say keyword matches. There's the broad match, there is the phrase match, exact match, and broad match modifier. And I can tell you, never use broad match or broad match modifier. Because what's gonna happen is that Google is essentially gonna take up their thesaurus and actually add in irrelevant keywords to your ads. So when your ads are actually showing on irrelevant keywords, your click-through rate will be absolutely horrendous and it will affect your quality score, which brings up your cost per click. So at the end of the day, when you are running search ads, only focus on the phrase match and also the exact match at the same time. Now, item number 3 is that when it comes to Google, there's also YouTube ads. And here's a little secret about YouTube ads. The first 30 seconds on YouTube ads is free. I actually talk about this in Grant Cardone's show, specifically telling people that when it comes to YouTube ads, there is a little loophole where if you can actually get your message across in the first 30 seconds, you're literally getting free advertising. And let me tell you, 30 seconds can happen a lot. And you can actually talk about a lot of things within the first 30 seconds. And in fact, this is also not against Google's policy. You can specifically, in your video, to skip the ad if you are not interested. And if you actually do this right before the 30-second mark and the viewer actually click on skip, you just earn yourself some free advertising. And you definitely want to take advantage of that when it comes to YouTube ads. Item number 4 is that the shopping has zero control. If you are into e-commerce and you are trying to literally leverage Google Shopping, which is definitely an amazing traffic source, there's one thing you need to know. When it comes to Google Shopping, you are unable to simply control where your ad shows up and even your keyword list. So essentially, how Google will be showing your shopping ads is based on whatever you have on your product page. The keyword, the alt tags, image tags, the headline, all those are actually what Google used to determine when your ads actually show up in the shopping network. However, in order for you to truly profit with the shopping network, you need to maximize the search term report. Given that we are unable to actually choose what keyword we want our ads to actually show, you can actually remove the keywords that are actually showing your ads. So that way, it's kind of like you are going out with a fishing net and you're throwing out the fishing net, and once you actually take back all the fish, you're also going to get the garbage, which in this case, using the search term report, you're actually taking out all the garbage and only focus on the actual keywords that are generating you results. Now, item number 5 is that search ads hates opt-in pages. So if you are an affiliate marketer that's trying to actually generate leads and build up your email database, listen, never advertise on the search engine. Because at the end of the day, you gotta look at it from Google's standpoint. People go to Google search to search for answers to their problem, or simply they are looking for specific reviews on particular products, and they're at the end of the day trying to consume content and find answers. However, if you simply create an opt-in page that gated all the content, Google is not gonna like it. They will penalize you with a super low quality score and eventually ban your accounts. Because at the end of the day, you're not playing within Google's ecosystem. However, Google Ads allow affiliate marketing and opt-in pages, but just not on the search ads. You can actually do this on YouTube ads and also on display ads and Gmail ads as well when it comes to opt-in pages. But like I said, if you're trying to actually create an opt-in page to run on Google search, you're never gonna get results. Now, on the other hand, Google allows lead generation. So if you have a specific reason why you're asking for additional information like their phone, their email, their specific questions that you want to get answered before they actually can submit and become your lead, Google is actually okay with that. It's kind of like if you are a real estate agent and you're trying to actually generate leads and you want to learn more about these prospects on what their criteria is when it comes to buying a home, you can actually ask those information to generate that lead. However, just having an opt-in page with email address and getting the information, Google absolutely do not like that. So in a way, I hope that this really helps you out. Listen, there's a lot more when it comes to Google Ads, and I rarely talk about it on my YouTube channel. If you would like me to talk more about Google Ads, drop down right in the comment box right below. I can actually create more videos on Google Ads and not just all on Facebook ads. So leave me a comment, let me know, and I hope that this video helps you out. If there's any questions about Google Ads, feel free to drop the comment right down below. Till next time.